everyone, Chris at Laminex. And today we're actually going to help improve on our studio. We have a little stand here that has developed some scratches and scrapes on here, and it's kind of a matte finish type of surface texture to it, more like a semi-gloss. But we're going to use our 6mm matte film to protect this from getting any worse, and we already have some surface scratches and scuffs already in here. But the Laminex adhesive will eventually mold into those imperfections, help clear it up, make it look cleaner. And then as we do more demonstrations utilizing this stand in our studio, it will help keep it looking good and prevent it from the additional scratches from occurring. So we decided just to video this process as I go ahead and do this prior to us shooting our next video. So really the main thing is just you're going to want to clean it all up, get all the dirt and debris off of here and the dust. And I've already done that. So now I'm going to take our mist sprayer that we normally have in our pre-cut kits or universal sheet kits, and I'm just going to do a nice mist spray right onto it, just like you would installing on a light. And it is filled up with just filtered or distilled water, nothing more than that. And then I take a 6mm matte film, which is about 1/6 of an inch thick, but it does have a nice matte surface texture to it. And it's thin, but it's still strong enough to take the abuse, but not too thick that it looks unsightly. So this is the perfect type of product for this application. So now I'm actually going to mist my fingers, so as I'm handling the Laminex, it's not marring the adhesive. And then we're going to take our film and we're going to separate the liner from the film. Being careful so that the liner doesn't pinch or fold, or the Laminex doesn't fold onto itself. And it's just going to lightly lay it on to our area here and make sure it lines up properly. If I need to mist, I'll spray a little bit more moisture on here to help it keep it from sticking, so it can slide around just ever so slightly. It is possible too that you can put some, like a drop or two, just a drop of baby shampoo in that sprayer that helps to slide the Laminex around. So I'll just line it up at the one edge here, tack it down, and just gently lie it down on the other side. All right, now it's applied down. We're going to take our mist sprayer, and we're just going to spray the top of the Laminex. Like I said, you can put some filtered or distilled water with maybe a drop of baby shampoo, but do not put any alcohol in here because that'll affect the Laminex product over time. Now we're just going to squeegee the moisture, taking our squeegee that we have usually in our kits, and I'm just going to squeegee the moisture out from underneath the Laminex, pushing it towards the edge. Now in this case, this stand is made of metal, so that is like a powder coated metal, so it's not going to be affected by the moisture that we have in here. And the Laminex is breathable and porous, so what'll happen over time is that moisture that's underneath that we may not be able to get out, it'll evaporate out. And I'm using broad, firm pressure on the squeegee to make sure I get all of the moisture out of there. I see it here kind of bunching up ever so slightly, and I just want to make sure that the moisture gets out without it pinching on the edge. And I got a little moisture being stuck here on the edge that's not coming out yet. So I'm just going to lift the Laminex up carefully and then squeegee that moisture out. And it looks like I may have a couple edges that doesn't want to adhere down right away. You can wait for a little bit for that moisture to dry up and then to adhere and stick down. Or you can take a blow dryer or a heat gun and try to help accelerate that process. And we actually have one here, so I'm going to do one you just blow dry it a little bit. I have one little area that's not sticking down because of the moisture that's in there. There you go. Holding it about 6 to 8 inches away, just enough to help evaporate that moisture out from underneath it, and now it's all stuck down. There we go. Now we have Laminex 6mm matte film applied onto this metal surface. Perfect. Just take a paper towel and wipe up the excess moisture. Now we're ready to shoot some more videos, knowing that our platform here is protected. And because it's the matte finish, it actually matches the platform painted color fairly well. Anyway, I was doing an installation on a tabletop, and we're using our matte film. And again, this will help prevent from surface scratches and scuffs and scrapes on the top of a surface. To protect it over time, and it looks fantastic. And we guarantee Laminex will last 5 years from any yellowing, fading, or cracking. And if you have any questions about what Laminex to use on your miscellaneous furniture product, or studio stand, or metal, or even some wood surfaces, just give us a call, hit us up on live chat, or email us at help@laminex.com. Thanks, and have a great day. Take care.